In the journey to financial success, the biggest obstacle often lies within ourselves. Welcome to The Psychology of Money, where we explore how mastering the mind game of wealth can lead to a prosperous future. Money is not just about numbers. It's about understanding the deep-rooted emotions and behaviors that drive our financial decisions. Fear, greed, and impatience are the enemies of wealth accumulation, but with the right mindset, they can be overcome. Understanding your relationship with money is crucial. It's not just about how much you earn, but how you manage and invest it. Many of our financial habits are formed early in life. By recognizing these patterns, we can make positive changes for the future by setting clear goals, living within your means, and investing wisely. You can take control of your financial future. Financial freedom is not just about having money. It's about peace of mind and the ability to live life on your own terms. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Master the psychology of money and unlock the door to a wealthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational and inspirational success stories to keep you motivated on your path to success.